now. Racing just started while Bush Carnival came out of the gate a little bit late. We have Larmagnac, break quickly at the start, La Sombra, and on the outside comes Queen Cuba. Next on line is Skin for the Libre lang, while Bush Carnival is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Larmagnac by about 4 lengths. La Sombra is right behind in second. And on the outside is Queen Cuba. Next on line is Libre lang. Kinford while Bush Carnival is still racing in less half-mile distance. They traveled. We have Larmagnac by about 6 lengths. And in second comes La Sombra. Queen Cuba still in third. And then followed her by Librang. Kinford is on the outside. Bush Carnival inside the tres octavo. We have Larmagnac still out in front, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Queen Cuba now coming closer in second. Libre lang. Kinford is on the outside. La Sombra comes next. Bush Carnival and they now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Queen Cuba, followed by Kinford on the outside as they swing for home. Queen Cuba by about 4 lengths. Kinford now in second. La Armagnac Libre lang. Last 75 meters we have Queen Cuba, and finally it's Queen Cuba. Second is Kinford, then comes Libre lang, La Armagnac, La Sombra, and Bush Carnival.